So, what is EchoVoice AI? EchoVoice AI is just a customer personalization platform which uses multi-agents. It consists of three pillars. One is the main pillar, orchestration, which automates the end-to-end workflow from data analysis to content deployment. The second pillar, intelligence, uses a team of specialized AI agents, LLMs, to handle complex tasks. The third one is compliance, which ensures every personalized message adheres to brand and safety policy rules. But before we move on further, we need to understand what customer personalization is. Generally, customer personalization involves the process of using data, tools, or frameworks to deliver tailored marketing messages and personalized experiences using real-time decision making. So the goal is to shift from mass messaging, that is the one-to-one communication, and to get a personalized touch on each and every message. The integration of artificial intelligence helps us to move from the traditional customer journey mapping, which is just business analytics and insights, to now the modern real-time decision making based on the data inputs and the status of the application, depending on the channel that you use, whether it's mobile, web, or application. Now, looking onto the key parts of our system, we'll have the LangChain foundation. So the AI engine is powered by the LangChain, whereby we can be able to orchestrate the models, LLMs, the core intelligent models that are for reasoning and content generation. We have memory and retrieval, that is the RAG, retrieval augmented generation models, access customer data and approve product catalogs via vector stores or search indexes. We have tools. These are just basic functions that allow the AI to interact with external APIs, MCP servers, such as sending mail, fetch stock. And obviously, we have the agents and LangGraph, the orchestrator that chains all the other parts together to form a complex multi-step decision making. And looking forward to the pipeline, what are we building? The multi-agent workflow. So our multi-agent is going to start with the segmentation agent, and segmenting customers is the first aspect for marketing, whereby you can derive a goal and achieve towards the business function. The second step, we have the retrieval agent, which finds approved cited content from the product database. That's where the RAG comes in. The third, we also have generation agent, which creates three personalized variants, and that's for the A, B, and N testing for the segment. And the fourth one, we have the safety agent, which also checks and blocks non-compliant risky message and assures adherence to the brand policies. Well, the fifth is the simulation agent, which runs a virtual experiment and outputs performance and uplift reports. So this is the whole workflow that we're going to work on, and from the setup, design, and all through the code. Now, what are our key differentiators and the summary of that? Well, we are looking onto trust, safety, and explainability. Where we want to encourage proactive compliance, whereby the safety agent ensures no message is sent without first passing explicit brand and policy checks. Then we need to have citation for content to prove that every message varies, includes a citation showing which approved product document influenced the message. And then we have our C2A, the call to action, whereby it gives us a personalization at scale, and it's governed by artificial intelligence. Now, for the design of our orchestration team inside the multi-agent system, we are going to split it into a 5-phase strategy, whereby we're going to deal with the segmentation agent that groups the customers, e.g. diet shoppers, sports, budget conscious, and creates explainable clustering reasons. We're going to have content retrieval agent for the RAG. We are going to have generation agent, which generates personalized message in variants for the A, B, and N testing. And then we're going to have the safety and compliance agent, and then the experimentation agent. Now, we are looking to overcome the compliance barrier, that is to ensure trust and safety. Every generated message variant is evaluated against an explicit safety policy rule engine, which is totally configurable to the user's needs. The system automatically blocks messages that maybe mention medical, health, or body claims, target sensitive attributes such as race, religion, or illness, contain toxic or misleading content, or misquote as approved product information. And also the citations and audibility allows all approved outbound messages to include citations, especially for the purpose of observability. And looking forward onto the technical architecture on what we're going to deploy, we have a 3-stack application. We're going to have a front end, which is the React and Next.js. We are going to have a backend, which is Python OS, Fast API, and LangChain for the orchestration. And we are going to have the data foundation, which is all the data services that are plugged in. We have the vector search, and in this case, for the Microsoft Azure AI Innovation Challenge, we are going to use Azure AI Search and used for fast retrieval, augmented generation content, or especially on the product content store integrated with the database. Now, the conclusion is we are looking forward to explainability and measurable impact, whereby the system provides full documentation for auditing and trust, and why the segment exists, which product influenced the message, how the safety agent applied its rules. A, B, and N experiment simulator also outputs the clear business metrics. Also, we are looking also for a product uplift or a measurable uplift so that we can have a complete solution integrated onto this. So join me on my next video as we now start discussing onto the segmentation and working onto the solution. Thank you.